Imagine this for a moment. Close your eyes and picture yourself waking up one morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing not just another day staring back, but a version of you that feels vibrant, radiant, and somehow timeless. Your skin glows with that inner luminosity people can't quite place. Your energy hums steadily through the afternoon without crashing. Your mind stays sharp as you tackle challenges that once felt daunting, and there's a quiet confidence in your step that whispers, "I've got more good years ahead than behind." Now open your eyes, because that vision isn't a fantasy reserved for celebrities with endless budgets for creams, injections, or exotic treatments. It's a real possibility, and one of the most powerful tools to make it happen is already sitting in your kitchen, your fridge, or at your local market. We're talking about anti-aging foods, not magic potions or trendy superfood fads, but everyday, evidence-backed powerhouses packed with antioxidants, polyphenol, vitamins, healthy fats, and compounds that combat the root causes of aging. Oxidative stress from free radicals, chronic low-grade inflammation, inflammaging, collagen breakdown, DNA damage, telomere shortening, mitochondrial dysfunction, and more. Science increasingly shows that what you eat doesn't just fuel your body, it reprograms how you age. Large-scale studies, like a landmark 30-year analysis of over 105,000 people published in Nature Medicine, 2025, found that diets rich in plant-based foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, legumes, unsaturated fats, and moderate healthy animal products dramatically boost the odds of healthy aging. Defined as reaching 70+ free of major chronic diseases, with intact cognitive function, mental health, and physical mobility, the top performers, like the Alternative Healthy Eating Index diet, increase those odds by up to 86%, or even 2.24 times at age 75. Higher intakes of fruits, veggies, nuts, and healthy fats correlated strongly with these benefits, while processed meats, trans fats, sodium, and sugary drinks dragged them down. Other 2025 research highlights flavonoids in berries, tea, apples, methyl adaptogens, green tea, turmeric, berries, and gut-supporting polyphenol as key players in reducing frailty, cognitive decline, biological age markers, and even epigenetic aging. No single food turns back the clock overnight, but consistent inclusion of these nutrient-dense choices creates a compounding effect, protecting cells, supporting collagen and elastin, enhancing skin barrier function, boosting brain resilience, reducing inflammation, and promoting longevity pathways like autophagy and sirtuins. In this deep dive, we'll explore the original list you shared, expand it with more science-backed additions, explain the mechanisms, why they work, share practical tips for incorporating them, and back it all with the latest evidence. Let's unlock the anti-aging potential hiding in your pantry, one delicious bite at a time. The science of aging and how food fights back. Aging isn't just wrinkles or gray hair. It's a complex interplay of 9 hallmarks, e.g., genomic instability, telomere attrition, epigenetic alterations, loss of proteostasis, deregulated nutrient sensing, mitochondrial dysfunction, cellular senescence, stem cell exhaustion, altered intercellular communication. Diet influences many. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that damage DNA, proteins, and lipids. Anti-inflammatory compounds curb inflammaging, linked to most age-related diseases. Collagen supporters, vitamin C, polyphenol, preserve skin structure. Polyphenol/flavonoids modulate gut microbiome, which influences systemic aging via the gut-skin-brain axis. Healthy fats maintain cell membrane integrity and reduce inflammation. Vitamins/minerals support DNA repair, hormone balance, and bone/muscle health. Plant-forward patterns, Mediterranean, plant-based, Nordic, consistently outperform others for longevity and skin/brain health. Now, let's break down the stars. 1. Pomegranate, the collagen guardian. Pomegranates burst with punicalagins, powerful elagitannins, ellagic acid, vitamin C, and polyphenol. Punicalagins inhibit matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, that degrade collagen and elastin, while boosting procollagen synthesis. Studies show oral pomegranate extract, e.g., 250 to 300 milligrams with punicalagins, reduces wrinkle severity, improves hydration, elasticity, and radiance in 4 to 12 weeks. One randomized trial found significant wrinkle reduction and gut-skin axis benefits via microbiome shifts. It also fights photoaging by lowering oxidative stress in UVB-exposed cells. How to use: eat fresh seeds, arils, daily, drink unsweetened juice, limit to 4 to 8 ounces, or try extract supplements. Add to salads, yogurt, or smoothies. 2. Blueberries, antioxidant powerhouse for skin and brain. Loaded with anthocyanins, the pigments giving that deep blue, vitamin C/E/A, and resveratrol-like compounds. Anthocyanins scavenge ROS, reduce lipid peroxidation, and protect against UV damage. Reviews show dietary/topical blueberries prevent environmental stressor damage, improve elasticity, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function into later years. Higher intake links to less frailty and better mental sharpness. How to use: 1/2 to 1 cup fresh/frozen daily, smoothies, oatmeal, salads, or plain as a snack. 3. Kale and other dark leafy greens, spinach, watercress, broccoli. Kale shines with lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamins A, C/K, and sulforaphane in broccoli. These guard against sun damage, boost collagen via vitamin C, enhance elasticity, and support detoxification genes. Spinach adds skin protective nutrients and hair-boosting vitamin A. Watercress lowers blood pressure and offers cancer protective effects. Cruciferous veggies activate NRF2 pathways for antioxidant defense. How to use: steam/saute kale/spinach, add to smoothies, or eat raw in salads. Aim for 2 to 3 cups greens daily. 4. Olive oil and olives, Mediterranean magic. Extra virgin olive oil's oleic acid and polyphenol, hydroxytyrosol, hydrate skin, improve elasticity, and reduce inflammation. Fresh olives protect DNA and prevent premature aging. Mediterranean diets rich in EVO link to better skin hydration and longevity. How to use: 2 to 4 tablespoons EVO daily. Drizzle on veggies, use in dressings, or dip bread. 5. Red bell peppers and tomatoes, lycopene and vitamin C duo. Red peppers top vitamin C charts, more than oranges, with carotenoids for glow and collagen support. Tomatoes' lycopene acts as internal sunscreen, lowers cholesterol, and protects against UV. Cooked tomatoes boost lycopene absorption. How to use: eat raw peppers in salads. Cook tomatoes in sauces, daily servings. 6. Papaya, enzyme-powered inflammation fighter. Papain enzyme reduces inflammation. Vitamins A, C/E improve elasticity and fight lines. How to use: fresh slices or in smoothies. 7. Nuts, especially walnuts, and avocado, healthy fats and vitamin E. Walnuts provide omega-3s, vitamin E for repair. Avocados offer monounsaturated fats, omega-3s, and vitamin A for cell turnover. How to use: handful nuts daily, 1/2 avocado. 8. Sweet potatoes and carrots, beta-carotene boost. Convert to vitamin A for skin/eye health, prevent lines. How to use: roast or mash. 9. Pineapple and oranges, vitamin C and more. Pineapple replenishes declining magnesium/B vitamins. Oranges boost immunity and collagen. How to use: fresh fruit daily. 10. Dark chocolate, watermelon, yogurt, oats, turmeric, saffron, cilantro, manuka honey, ghee, cold water fish, soy edamame. Dark chocolate's flavonols improve skin blood flow, watermelon lycopene, yogurt calcium/D, oats serotonin, turmeric curcumin slows diseases, saffron wrinkles/depression, cilantro vitamin K/antioxidants, manuka moisturizes, ghee healthy fats, fish omega-3s reduce inflammation/longevity, soy isoflavones boost elasticity/collagen. Expanded stars from science. Green tea/matcha, catechins, EGCG, for brain/skin protection, epigenetic benefits. Berries, strawberries, blackberries flavonoids reduce frailty. Fatty fish, salmon omega-3s for inflammation/skin redness. Legumes/whole grains, fiber for gut health/healthy aging. Putting it all together, your anti-aging plate. Aim for a rainbow. 5+ veggies, 4+ fruits, nuts/seeds, whole grains, Healthy fats daily. Limit processed foods, sugar, red/processed meats. Combine with exercise, sleep, stress management for synergy. Consistency wins. No extremes needed. Small swaps compound. Berries over cereal, EVO dressing, turmeric in curries. Your body renews cells constantly. Feed it wisely, and it rewards you with vitality that feels like time reversed. You've got the power. Start today, one pomegranate seed, one blueberry, one vibrant meal, and watch the mirror reflect a younger, stronger you. Share this with someone who deserves more vibrant years ahead. The clock is ticking, but in your favor.